I'm on my run, and look who's following me. Look what is following me. I'm not your mom. That is your mom back there. I'm not your mom. Stop following me. Look.
What are you doing?
This wild boar looks like someone ordered takeout for me. Is this how a socially awkward person makes friends?
Snake. I'm a snake.
This man's got himself the new emotional support animal.
What is going on? What are you doing? What?
Gym membership who? This monkey knows that nature is the best gym.
Alright, here's my buddy.
Can someone tell the seal that this is not a parking lot?
Nope.
Wow, you can solve it.
Who cares about being late for work? His dancing vibe spreads joy. Smacking her lips after the hay, cause every hot girl does that. Me when finally the DJ put on a song I can hoof to. The answer to a good night's sleep lies here, friends.
Come here. Yay! Yay! Okay, let's go.
Everything my manager explained on day one, and my brain be like, wait,